So right now the birds are plentiful, and we're gonna go on a little walk. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment great things, okay? Because great things will happen. Right now, we're just gonna go on a little walk, talk about things, maybe have some exciting times, because we're really desperate for content. Nothing exciting's happening, so what do we film? I don't know, a walk in the woods. Go subscribe for that. Hey, there's a squirrel. I thought for sure there was a squirrel. It's chilly out here. The world is getting colder. An asteroid is coming. Or is it really an asteroid? Could be alien. UFO. You never know. Yeah, they're getting berries from the trees.
What?
They're getting berries from the trees. They're eating the berries.
Yeah, they do that.
Well, yeah, I know they do that, but I did not know until now. Look, I think the birds so bad. I see a rock. Rock to sit. I would sit on that.
Where are you going? Frolicking, frolicking. Look at all these leaves. Tom, the tree just wants to sleep peacefully, and this is what you do? Tommy! Tom, you should be like Jackie Chan.
Let's do it. Jackie Chan about to come out. How are you supposed to get up there?
Jackie Chan could figure it out. Good job.
Frolic. My hand still hurts.
Look, they even...
What?
They did graffiti on the tree.
Where? It says pay or payphone. Not ho ho ho.
Hey Tom, you should jump over all these jumps. Tommy! Tommy, are you...
Well, I've hurt my hand twice, my foot twice.
Go, Tommy, go! Don't hit the tree.
I'm about to go like 5 feet up in the air and do like a roll or something.
You're a tough man, Tom. It's an Amber Alert. We should go.
We're out here by ourselves in the woods, And we just got an Amber Alert. Maybe we're the ones that have been kidnapped. Oh, I should try picking up this tree.
It's a tree.
The tree!
It's a maple.
It's extra heavy. There's spider webs here.
You're a man!
Ah, but there's spider web. Beast mode. Alright, let's do this. Here we go. Yeah. You say I'm doing it.
Nicely done!
Whoa! Just that one area, I just like lanked out. I think. Man, that hill was. Okay. There's a lot of birds in these here trees. We're entering the bird zone.
You can hear them
Squeeble.
squeebling.
Whoa! I just heard a bird bomb.